Hello everyone, this is Andrew here with Website Boss. Today I'm going to show you guys how to edit your page within Divi. Obviously, you've got your WordPress site here that we've built, and you have Divi installed, which is the framework we use to build everything on the site. So the first step is to be logged into the website, through the WP admin, and then once you're logged in, you'll see there's like a thing up the top here, which is the bar with all kinds of bits of information. You'll see that I'm on the home page of our website, Website Boss. To simply edit a page, we need to enable the visual builder. So we click that, and what that does is that loads up the page in a very easy to edit visual format. So you see here, as we're hovering over, these are all the different elements that make up the page. So for you guys, for the most part, the best thing to do is for you guys to edit text. If you want to really change things fundamentally, that's probably better for us to do it. But if you want to change things like text, it's very simple, and there are a few quick ways of doing it. So if you're looking at minor little changes here, what you can do is simply hover over it. You'll see it becomes this little gray box here. That is a text element. And we can change text by simply clicking it. So we want to change this website text here. We can change it to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very poignant. And as you could imagine, if you press Control Z or back, you can revert that. You can edit whatever you want like that. That's the first way of doing it. The second way of doing it is to hover over one of the boxes, and see, this is module settings. We click that cog, and now it opens up the text settings in a module with more detail. For example, you see here we can change fonts, we can change colors. This is stuff that I again recommend that we do, but if you want to try it out yourself, there'll be tutorials about that as well. But basically, you'll see here we have the content. You can make this bigger, and we have a visual and text-based way of showing off the elements. So for example, here we can change the text like that. But to save it, we need to click the tick. So we need to actually click the tick if we want to save it. If you edit it over here, or to the left here, if you edit it over here, it'll change automatically. You don't have to worry about saving it. But if you open it up in the module here, this purple module, you do have to save. So if you see here, if I click the X button, it has put the text back to the old FDF text. So again, if we click this and we click text over here, you see this is how it is viewed in the code. So we have the text that's just plain like that is paragraph text or P text, which is basically this element here. You see if we add the P, that makes it a paragraph as well. It's the same thing. This is a header. You see website planning. So if we wanted to actually change that to a H1, which I wouldn't do unless it's the title of the page, we simply can change it to H1, and now you see it's a H1. Or we can make it a H3, which makes it smaller, or a H4, 5, 6, etc., etc. So that's how to change text and add stuff. So for example, if we wanted to add more, we would copy that, paste it, and then make it a H3 and call it something else. There we go. But again, we don't want to save that. We'll click out and we're done. So as you can see, we can edit all this kind of text. All this can be changed. But to actually save these changes, we need to click the purple here, and we need to click the save button. Now, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to change it on the live site. But if you guys, you do want to save what you've edited, that is very important. So you see here we've got some of our websites and stuff like that. These are images again, which we'll look at in another tutorial. But basically, to edit text on Divi, it's very, very simple. It's easy to get rid of text and get rid of stuff. Absolutely fine. We can change it. Yeah, it's very simple. So hopefully this, you can understand what to do. You click save there, this button here, you'll be able to click save. And once you've saved, what will happen is, the page will be all configured with your new changes. And if you simply exit the Visual Builder up here, if you click exit and you go discard and exit, it will not save any of your work. So obviously I didn't want to save that. I wanted to keep it the way it was. So if you did something that you thought you've broken it beyond repair, simply exit the Visual Builder up the top and don't save. Remember not to save, and then that way you can undo any of the changes you made that you may not have liked. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back hopefully soon with some more tutorials. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.